Hi, this is Susan Wood with Physical Therapy in Motion, and today I am so excited to tell you about my new wellness program called GOATA. It stands for Greatest of All Time Actions. In this program, we slow your movement down, and from there, we customize an exercise program that literally recodes your movement from the ground up, starting at your foot. This program is awesome for athletes who are looking to enhance their performance or injury prevention. It's great for active individuals who are tired of minor aches and pains like plantar fasciitis or Achilles tendonitis, even knee and hip pain. And it's great for anybody who is just looking to feel better overall. Right now I'm running a huge promotion. For the first 10 people who sign up, you can choose to purchase 3 visits, get 1 free, or purchase 5 visits and get 3 free. I cannot wait to see you in the program.